Hello guys, and welcome to this awesome video where I'm going to be showing you how to make a very cool effect called the censorship effect. So this is what I'm going to show you how to make. So all you have to do is to go to this website higggsfield.ai. Once you're in, make sure you log in. You can say I'm already logged in. You can create a free account and then go to the VFX effect, the visual effects section, then click on the censorship area here. You'll be brought to a page like this where you have to you can just watch and see the most appropriate video effect you like and just choose it. However, you can just click on generate to generate your own particular effects. So from here you can also upload your image, that's the image you want to use, and then you can, if you have an end frame, you can also upload it in this area. From the prompt, for the prompt section, you can click on this area to actually input the kind of prompt you would want your image or video to, your new video to have. And then this model is most of the time they just give you the best model to render that particular effect, and you can always change it if it's not appealing to you. So I'm just going to leave it here, and then all you have to do is click on generate. It takes some time, sometimes 15 minutes to generate these videos. And so once it's generated, you will see them appear here, just like I've generated this one. And all you have to do is to click on download, and then after the download you would see the image or the new video in your device, and then you can use it from there. So let me know what you guys think about this particular video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.